A phenolic board is a sheet manufactured from phenolic resin and cellulose sheets pressed at a very high temperature and pressure. Expanded PVC is a type of plastic made from polyvinyl chloride. It is lightweight, durable, and waterproof. Subscribe, making it a good choice for a variety of applications. Welcome to our small startup. Your subscription is truly vital to fuel our growth and evolution. Please subscribe. Welcome to our small startup. Your subscription is truly vital to fuel our growth and evolution. Please subscribe.
Check out this CNC short video where I showcase the process of cutting polycarbonate sheets for a global customer. Polycarbonate is a highly durable and versatile material that's widely used in various industries, such as construction, automotive, and electronics. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.